Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lute, and on this channel we talk about beauty, fashion and lifestyle. And if you don't follow me on social media yet, you can follow me. I'll put the link in the description box below. There I post lots of fashion content and you may like it and get to know my sense of fashion and style. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we'll be talking about 6 tips to make you look expensive. It's an exciting topic. So a little bit about myself. I run a women's clothing boutique called You Boutique, and I will leave the link in the description box below so you can follow me there and check what I sell. Well, it may not be clothes for everyone, but I guarantee you I sell clothes, good clothes for every age. And it's not trendy stuff, clothes that will actually last you a long time in a lifetime. Well, it will last you a long time, yes. So I will put the website below. You can check it out, and you can also follow me on my Instagram at Jacqueline Lute, and we'll stay in touch there. So in today's video, I will be talking about 6 tips on how you can actually dress expensive. Well, why am I talking about how to dress expensive? Do I really dress expensive? Well, I'll let everyone be the judge, okay? And what do I mean by that? Well, one thing, I don't mean I shop expensive. No, that's not the point. Here we're talking about 5 tips on how to dress or how to appear expensive in your dressing. Well, most women, we love to shop, but you have to shop smart. And dressing expensive has nothing to do with how much you spend on your clothes. No, it has everything to do with how well and smart you shop. So you can buy your stuff at H&M, you can buy your stuff at Gap, you can buy your stuff at Old Navy, but it's just how you put them together and how you carry yourself through those clothes. I don't know if it's a compliment or what, but I've gotten actually people say I dress expensive. I think I take it as a compliment, because I put too much thought in my clothing when I'm going somewhere for an occasion. I plan my outfits, and this is something that you ladies should also do. You have to plan your outfits just like you plan your days and your weeks and months ahead. So for me, I have a rack of clothes that I put, like I say, okay, this week I'm gonna wear this jacket, this and that. And if I haven't worn anything in a long time, I put them on the rack so I know what to wear and what to use, because you know, sometimes when you shop too much, you kind of forget what you have in your closet. So when it comes to looking, dressing expensive, it doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money, you have to go shopping, like buy expensive stuff. Well, you can have actually some investment pieces in your closet that will last you a very long time, and you can build on to that, those pieces. So you can have maybe 5 investment pieces in your closet, and with that, I'm not saying go and buy like a Balmain jacket for $4,000. You can always wait. Actually, these things go on sale, so they're not like handbags where you know a Chanel bag is not going on sale, a Dior bag is not going on sale, but things like Balmain jackets, like clothes, they usually go on sale. And for me and my friends, I'm sure you're watching, you know the deal, you know the drill. We actually go to these sales maybe a few times a year to hunt for these brand name clothing for a very cheaper price. So I like those sales. I like them because we get to save a lot of money. So you would think maybe I'm wearing something that's very expensive, but that piece actually will cost me maybe less than $100. But if you were to buy it in the store, you'd spend maybe $1,000 or even more than $1,000. But because we go to these sales, it's not a pretty thing to watch, but we have so much fun going through the stuff and choosing the good stuff in there. I will dive right into it. So 6 tips on how to dress expensive. Yes, like I mentioned, I've had compliments where people say I dress expensive. I don't know. Yes, so the first thing you have to do is you have to dress intentionally. So you have to understand the time and place where you're going. So if you know you're going out to dinner, you have to actually dress like you're going to dinner and not like you're going to brunch. okay? And if you're going out to like a movie, you have to dress like you're going to a movie and not like you're going to dinner. So you have to plan these things ahead of time, and you have to understand the time and the place where you're going, because you don't want to dress to overdo it, or you don't want to underdress. You always want to understand your audience, who's going to be there, what time are you guys meeting, what's the occasion. All of that plays into place, and through that you can actually dress accordingly. Yes. And you have to find clothes that actually fits you, because I've seen people, it seems like lots of women don't understand their body types, and we tend to force ourselves into things that don't actually fit us well. Just because you've seen another person wear it, it doesn't actually mean it's gonna look the same on you. So it's very, very significant to understand yourself, your body, and actually what works well for you and on you. And once you understand that, voila, you're going to look good. You're going to dress expensive, because now you understand what material fits on you. You understand what kind of cuts. When it comes to the fabric, you have to understand all of that. Number 2, you have to understand the colors. So for us dark skinned people, we have colors that actually look good on us, and some colors don't look good on us. On media a lot, it's like people just don't care what they're wearing. They don't care about the colors, they just go for it. But you can put on this expensive piece of clothing and yet still look as cheap, okay? Because now the clothes end up looking so cheap, even if it was like thousands of dollars. So just because you have something that's expensive doesn't mean it's going to look expensive on you. No. That is why you can go to H&M and buy something there and put it on, and it's going to look like $1 million on you, okay? And you're going to look so good than a person that's actually wearing something that's worth $1 million. Yes. So number 2, you have to learn the colors, what works for you, and you have to learn what suits you. Avoid these bright colors, okay? And this comes to why do I always wear black. I find black to be a very classic color, very, well, yes, black, white, and neutrals. These colors, you can never go wrong with these colors. I wear a lot of black. If you follow me on my Instagram, you know by now, like black, we can never even compromise on it. At this point, I feel like I have a lot of black clothing, so I have to cut down a little bit. So in the summer, I like to wear whites, and in the winter, black, browns. Honestly speaking, look at this jacket. It's from Zara, but it looks so beautiful, and you can never even know that it's from Zara. Very simple, yet very elegant and very nice. When it comes to jewelry, you don't want to overdo it. You just want to put just minimal, like the way I have it here. And this is perfect. Depending on what you have this with, you would end up looking like $1 million. You would end up looking so expensive, yet a jacket is like maybe less than $100. So that's the secret there. And number 3, you have to smell good. You have to smell good. And now when it comes to smelling good, doesn't mean, oh, just go and buy all the cheap perfumes. So every woman should have one perfume that actually works for them. You have to find a perfume that works for your body, okay? And when buying perfume, don't buy perfumes online. Buy them in person, because perfume is different on everybody. A perfume smells good on my friend doesn't mean it's going to smell good on me. So perfume is something that you actually have to try in person before you can purchase it. So it's very, very, very significant to find a perfume that actually works for you, so that they know you're coming. They smell you like you're coming. Yes. Number 4, too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is not good. So you have to listen on how much stuff you put on yourself, on your body. I mean, this jacket that I have a dress underneath that is black, and trust me, there's nowhere to put anything because it has already its jewelry on it. Okay, so there's no, I can put maybe a Chanel brooch or something, but I am not going to put necklaces, and I'm not going to put these dangling down earrings. I think this is just about perfect. But if I go overboard, I'm just gonna look tacky and it's not gonna look expensive at all. So this, I'm trying to make this cheap outfit look expensive. This jacket is from Zara. I believe it was $70, maybe $79. And the dress I have is from Zara as well. I bought it on sale. It was $15 from $78, but down to $15. But if I was to wear this somewhere, this is a very expensive outfit I have on, and somebody might say, wow, you dress really expensive. It's not because the outfit is expensive, it's because of how I accessorize it and how I wear it. That's what makes it look expensive. Because you can wear all these Chanel clothings, but the intention of how you're wearing it doesn't come out to be expensive. Actually, it makes the outfit and the brand look so cheap. So that is just the difference there. So looking expensive means you have to minimize your outfit, and you have to minimize on how much stuff you have on you, and not like a Christmas tree. Get the point. We get that you have lots of money, we get that you have lots of clothes, we get that you have lots of shoes. Imagine if people could actually wear more than one pair of shoes on them.
It's sad because people try to wear all the shoes they have, but it's a good thing we don't. Because I've seen how people wear all these jackets on them. I mean, not very tastefully. They make it look like, ew, I don't want to do that. Like, no.
Okay, so when it comes to shoes, you have to actually keep your shoes clean. Just a little goes a long way. Maybe not the right way, but you have to do things in a minimal way. Don't overdo things, don't overdo everything. Okay, so it's like your makeup. If you want to come out looking expensive, you have to, your makeup, ladies, you have to use good makeup too for your skin, because it's good for your skin, and you have to mind how much makeup you're putting on your skin, so you come out you come out looking good and expensive. But also the colors for your lipstick, you have to mind that. And your nails, like women, I understand we want our nails to be like, these are not real nails right now, I have these fake nails, but I find even this length to be a little bit too long for me. But I'm not gonna go and start putting nails like this long, no, because this is already uncomfortable for me. So if I have the nails longer than this, that's not gonna come out looking classy or looking elegant, and that actually won't make me look any expensive. Actually, to make me look cheap. That's what that does. It's expensive, and to come out like classy lady, you have to really pay attention to these small details. It's very important. So like your jewelry, your handbag, the hair, the color of your hair, like black, brown, a little bit of highlight is fine, but not the hair like red hair, blue, pink, green. Where are you going with pink and green and yellow hair? Where are you going? Like wherever you're going, I don't want to follow you. You just go on your own and buy. And I actually don't even want to
walk next to you, because you're gonna be looking crazy. And if I am going to be looking like $1,000,000, I don't want to walk with a friend who's looking like $5. It's not gonna work. It's not. I'm sorry, but it's not.
So here, the number 5, I stressed a little bit about nails, and I'm sure you ladies can agree with me. I know I have some honest ladies watching my videos, and I actually, now we're dressing good on a budget, we're dressing expensive on a budget. I'm not saying I'm rich, And that has nothing to do with being rich. That's just has everything to do with dressing well. Like, dress how you want to be addressed. So I dress accordingly to occasion, and I am trying to help my sisters out there, because most of us women, we don't know how to dress. And I cannot sit here and tell you I'm a pro at dressing good, dressing expensive. Sometimes I may miss some stuff, but
you know what? I pay attention to how I dress. Most of the times I do. Or most of the time I do.
So I am sharing that with you, and I hope you don't take this as something. I hope you appreciate this. So we talked about the number 4 is all about grooming yourself, looking good, nails, makeup, and everything. Number 3 was too much. Everything is bad. So we know you've got everything in your closet. You have Chanel, you have Dior, you have Louis Vuitton, you have Saint Laurent, you have Celine, you have everything. We know that. We understand you do. But please leave them at home and just put on one brand. We will appreciate that more. The number 6 actually, it is iron your clothes, ladies. We see who's ironing their clothes and who is not. And if there's one thing that annoys the hell out of me, is looking at somebody whose makeup done, nails done, hair done, and their clothes just look like they came from a horse or a cow's mouth. Like, who was chewing your dress? Who was chewing your outfit? Like, please get the outfit from your closet and iron it or steam it, whichever way you can get it. Iron your clothes. That will make a very big difference on your outfit. It will make you look very put together. It will make you look like a star. It will make you look like $1 million, and it will make you look expensive. So these are the tips in today's video. 1, dress intentionally, know where you're going, study the assignment, and deliver the assignment. It's not hard, okay? Know your body shape, understand your body shape, understand the color that looks good on you, and buy things of good material. The fabric should always be good fabric. We know what's cheap there, so don't fool us. Don't go and buy this dress that's $2. We know the difference between $2 and $20. But please, you can always find something that's $15 and it will be a good piece. So shop smart, shop smart, shop smart. Less is good. Less is more. So don't go overboard with your outfit. Dress accordingly, and don't overdo us with your bling, because this is not time for bling. If you want to bling something, go put it on your Christmas tree. It will be more appreciated there than actually if it's a. So I hope you appreciate this. Until next time. Bye. Oops, did I say that? No. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please let me know your thoughts. Follow me on my social media and check out my online store. I'll put the link in the description box. Until next time, bye.